What is special Hennessy taste?
You know, so you can go on.
You have no different taste from the regular Henny?
No, sir, I see him blood clot thing at the back.
What about the black one though?
The
The one that dangerous.
one that make you jump quick, your fuck.
Dog.
The one I'm afraid of the one
The
there.
black Henny doggy.
The
Black Henny in the
one
normal
I'm
brother.
afraid of the one there, man.
It's stronger, man.
What? One I'm afraid of the one there, bumbo.
Alright, you did get the first night to come around, don't
Mm.
Yeah, the one in the
Get the
normal.
beat done. Put the bumbo clot tonight. Just man, they ask me say if I blood clot jargon na me, what? Leave me as the ball life, blood.
People cut out this.
Yo, yeah, I tell you, brother.
Jesus Christ.
But
You believe in a love chop?
yeah, man, believe in love. Love is real, man. Love is real. You understand? And come on for Instagram and talk about love now. Love is something that is it risk worth fighting for? You have to ask yourself that. Is it risk dealing with somebody that keep on telling you no? You have to ask yourself that. You have to know your partner and know what time it is with them. Understand? You have to know if them really love you or you ain't playing mind games. Yeah, woman you play mind games, man. Yeah, woman play mind games to see where you're capable of doing.
Like when I'm bridging at them, I say, yo, my new girl on deal and some things need to be done. She need a new phone. Yeah. And boom.
Dog, do it. Dog,
like
new phone.
Before a new phone start out.
Yeah.
She all over him like he name cologne.
Me I try to tell you, man.
You understand? Every night he get BJ, he get vagina, loving. I love you, babes. Cuddle up all and same thing there.
Right.
When iPhone 14 buy,
a
week later, it's like he loving cut off. Cause she get what she want.
But I know weird.
Is me I say?
That's how man done. That's why I not trust them. That's why I cut them. Can't trust someone, man.
But you live with your son mother. You can't. You cheat by your son mother, doggy?
You know, me never cheat by a girl. Since me and a girl there.
Yeah. But you're Jamaican, they say all Jamaican cheat.
Never go out there and fuck nobody for that. She catch me 1 or 2 times. Flirting with people. You understand?
But everything you tell me, you don't mention nothing. Before, anything else you chat before you and she there?
Yeah, man. Before me and her there, man. Before me and her there, man.
You there, dog?
Me live my life like a drunk out of pussy. Anything come cause dead.
Germs.
Man, if you tell about it, man. Stay so boom one night, you know, man. Step on the sawgrass side one night, you know. Woke up on this nice, pretty bumbo clock. Girl, and I'm gonna tell you, say, yo. Get the girl number one, man. And every day I call the girl. The girl say, I'm soon call her back. Every day I call the girl say, she's soon.
She have a man.
Soon come back. The one day, I go so boom and get fed up. Call her on FaceTime. To pussy clot. Mama lay in her bed and mama say she dey work. Mama lay in her bed to pussy clot.
So why she answer?
Mama lay in her bed with her husband to go.
Like he never remember when tell her?
Like he never remember saying tell me say married to bumbo clot. Mama answer the call. Me have to ask her, say you're not gonna carry me to do my nail appointment. Me have to switch all this story upon her like I want girl to chat to her to pussy clot. A bad man missing a back going, me have to say, you're not gonna bring me to do my nail. Me have to say, Jesus Christ, to pussy clot. You see a man weak. Hey, sometimes, you know, man, in life, you know, you do some fuck up things to get the from some girl, you know, man. Pussy clot.
Liar, pants pan fire.
Bumbo clot, man, you go through some cribbies and some corner, man, to get some girl. Sometimes you have to warn that to bumbo clot. You have to say, oh, John was star. I said,
but just for a nut, doggy.
Just for a nut. You have to go through so much
But you know, so when you come to your senses though.